Hi guys, so I'm making this new video on how to register your One Health Pass. So what is One Health Pass? So it is an online platform by the Philippine government para dun sa mga international travelers from the departure of their country of origin to arrival at the LGU of destination. It's really important if you are traveling to the Philippines and make sure na meron po kayo nito. Just go to the website and then follow the following steps. Just make sure to fill up the correct information on this part. The details about yourself, this is optional for PhilHealth number, but I have decided to provide my number. Next part, you are required to provide your residence details. This is the address where you are going to continue your home quarantine. And the next is travel details. This is where you are going to provide where is your country of origin. Details include your airline and the flight number. Your date of arrival is really important because from time to time there is additional or changes in the travel protocols in the Philippines. And so my arrival is January 15 and Saudi Arabia is still included in yellow list, and as of now there is no guidelines for the arriving Filipinos from January 16 to January 31. Your arrival date will determine how long you are going to have your hotel quarantine. On the quarantine hotel, just select the hotel that you have a confirmed booking. You'll be also asked about your vaccine information. So it is your first dose and second dose, what type of vaccine you have received, and what country you have been vaccinated. Don't forget to bring your vaccine certificate because it is asked at the airport and also at the hotel where you are booked. For my case, I have been vaccinated from first to second dose by Pfizer in Saudi Arabia. I have not been to any countries within 30 days, so I just leave it blank. Just answer this following information that includes clinical information and exposure history.